driven. Nicely guided down.
He's got to help it on its way. It was down the leg side. Yeah, and runs here.
He's got enough. Yes, he has. And he's not done. He's not done tonight. The crowd has plenty to cheer for.
A wide Yorker.
Back straight past the bowler, and it's a 6.
And he's just seen it so well out of the middle of the bat.
Babar goes over. He goes over mid-off. Babar goes to 97. Does Babar get it? Yes, he does. The king stands tall once again tonight, and he lights up Qatar. 30-20 century for Babar Azam.